Hello, this is Ali and welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna talk about robot arms and also how to manage and how to work with this panel of the robot arms. So this robot arm is actually a product by a Korean company. So this robot has 6 joints. The first joint is this one, the second joint is this one, the third one is this one, fourth joint is this one, fifth, and finally sixth. So in this actually red color light you can see here, it means that the servos or the motors are locked. So in order to unlock the motors, at first you should press status in or touch the status button. If you touch the status button, you can see that the servo is off. So in order to turn it on, you can easily touch the on button. So if you actually touch the on button, you can see that it changed to blue light. So it means that the robot is ready to manipulate. So in order to manipulate, at first you should touch the jack. In this menu, you can see there are 3 actually layers. I mean jog, move, and align. So in the jog, you can actually manipulate the joint angles from number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. For example, for number 1, if you touch the number 1, it is actually blue or active. So you can actually press this one or this one to manipulate the angles. Or if you want to actually just manipulate the joint number 2, you can touch this one or each of them. It's up to you. Okay, so for example, we want to actually change the degree, the angle of the joint number 2. So we touch this one, and actually by touching this plus button, you can see that it works, it actually moves. So let's see. You can see the robot is moving. So let's actually touch the minus to robot actually can move in inverse direction, minus degree here, right? So okay, and this is jack. Okay, so you can see the real time shape of the robot here. For the move, you can press or touch the move, and you can actually assign a joint angle yourself. For example, you need to go to for example 90 0 0 0 0. So I mean actually joint angle should be go to 90, joint number 2 should be 90, and the rest joints should go to 0 0 0. So if you press this one, you can see that the robot move. But actually before moving, let's explain this one. This is the actually speed of the joint angles, so you can actually go rapid or slow. So let's see. If you need actually touch this one and actually continue touching. If you remove, I mean actually untouch the button, it is stop. So it needs that you should continue touching. So let's see. Yeah, robot is moving to 90 0 0 0. Okay, so here actually it may be a collision, so I don't continue. So in order to go to home position, you can actually the home position is actually 000, so you should go to the align and continue touching the home position, and you can see that the robot go to the home position, I mean 000. So okay, let's explain what is 000. Here, as you can see, this line is aligned to this one, so it means that the robot is in this joint is in 0 actually degree. So if you add the actually angles, it work actually it go in this direction. If you add a minus angle, it work actually it move to in this direction. So in each joint you can see there is this sign. For example, in another joint, let me show you. In the joint number 1, here this is 0. Joint number 2, this is 0. And for the rest joint, it's a little difficult to show you, so we ignore it. Yeah, let me explain this button. This is actually emergency stop. So for example, if you are going to actually move this one, but suddenly you can see that there is a collision with other objects like other robot arms, so you can suddenly or immediately press this one. If you press this one, all servos will be locked. So let's do this. Robot is moving, and suddenly I stop. So you can see every servo is locked, and it is red light. So in order, this is emergency stop. Okay, in order to unlock the, I mean actually come back to the normal mode, you should rotate. Okay, if you rotate it, you can come back to the normal menu, but still the servo is locked. So as I mentioned in the early video, you should go to status and turn on the servo. You can see here what will happen. Yeah, it turned to blue light. So yeah, pretty much that's enough for this video. I hope you enjoy. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video. It will motivate me to make more videos for actually working with the robot arms, like this type of robot arm, this very teeny robot arm, or this one, and also this one. So there are so many robot arms, but I need motivation. Thank you.